I welcome you all for the session on SolidWorks SketchUp Part 3. In this video, we'll learn about slot, polygon, point, fillet and chamfer. As you know that fillet is giving the round and chamfer is giving the 45-degree or some different angle cuts at the edges, and the polygon is for creating any number of size polygon. For example, you have pentagon, hexagon, you can give the number of sides. That line, circle, spline, rectangle, arc, conic sections and text we completed in our last videos. Today we will continue with that slot, polygon, fillet, chamfer and point, which is remaining in draw. Today we will finish the draw command, draw in Sketcher. We will go for workbench. We are in the Sketcher workbench. We will continue the slot. We have straight slot. Click the center point, axis end to end, and then give the radius of that corner arc. Next we have center point, straight slot. First we gave end points, but now the first point will be the midpoint of this particular axis. Later it will go to the ends, but the distance between the ends and the center point will be the same on both the sides, and then you can specify the radius later, how much ever you want you can give it. But in some, you can also create this by rectangle and arc combination, but this is direct option. Next we have 3-point slot. First point, second point, and then the arc, third point. Similar to 3-point arc, you can create that central axis, not even only straight, you can create using this 3-point arc slot. Next we have center point arc slot. For that I will click on one central point, and then you can go throughout the circle. We cannot go for 360, but you can go less than 360, greater than 0. Any angle you can give it for the slot. Circular slot you can create it. Next we have polygon. For polygon I went for hexagon, 6 number of sides. I clicked on the point, and you have two options: inscribed in a circle and circumference circle. Inscribed in a circle means the hexagon will be inside the circle. Inscribed in a circle, and then you have circumference around circle. If you draw a circle from the center, the circle will be inside. Now we will go for 7 sides. I will click the center point. I am inscribed a circle. Inscribed in circle. You have circumference. You can see this difference. Inscribed in circle, circumference circle. This is how you can create the polygon in CATIA Sketcher. Next we have fillet and chamfer. For fillet I should create one rectangle or any closed profile which is straight profile. I will create one rectangle. For this I will go for sketch fillet. I should select the entities to the fillet, first line and the second line. Later I can give the radius. I will give it as 0.1 inches fillet radius. This you can see there. If I give 1 inches, it will be 1 inches corner round. You can call this also as corner. In some other software, in CATIA and in different softwares, they may call it as corner. Next we will go for chamfer. In the chamfer we have angle, distance, two types. If you give the angle and one length, it will auto calculate the other length, or else you can give the two distances from the center point. Anything which is given in your drawing, you can go for that. I gave this as distance. Later you can modify the distance how much ever you want. will go for chamfer. I will select this line and that line. I am in the distance mode. There is one, you can make that as 2 as well. You can double click on that, it will be edited, but you cannot go for 2 because there is no chance of 2 there. I will give it as 1.5 here. 1.5, I think 1.5 is possible. The total length should not be less than that chamfer length. That is the matter. Maximum you can give for that mm, but chamfer will be around in some ends only. It will not be at the up to the end and all. This is how you can give for chamfer. You have angle distance mode. Also, I gave 2 inches and 45 degrees, but 2 inches I think it is too big. I should reduce it for that particular sketch what I drawn. I will give it as, because we can see the error that there is some error in distances only. If we give the distance greater than what it is, it will not be able to take the chamfer. I will try to reduce it. If you keep on trying like that, it will not take, because could not be added, because specified distance would eliminate the use of it. I should reduce the distance. If I give it as 1, it will take 1 and the angle 45 degree. No matter what you give the angle, you can give how much ever you want from 0 to 90. But